So pretty quick, simple one, this one. Vauxhall Vivaro wing mirror. 3 bolts. 3 10mm bolts. If you wind the window down, you can reach around. And aim that through there. And then wiggle it. Until you get really annoyed and drop it on the floor. Probably. Let's step you back a bit. It is kind of wedged in there. Well, I had this taking it out. It catches a little. There it is. There we go. Fit it from the outside. It does kind of lock in, so you shouldn't drop it. Hopefully this works putting them back on. Nope. That's wet. Well, the top one, the bottom one, to be fair, should be easier to get. So we'll just tip that in gently, like that. Get this one down a bit. You can come back now, because we are actually able to do it. So we can do those up. You might be asking yourself, why am I replacing this wing mirror? Was it broke? Not really, no. Now, if you don't know, these Vivaros have a temperature sensor built into this wing mirror. And the car will not run properly and behave itself unless the wing mirror works. And that's why we're replacing this. Ambient air temperature sensor fault. So all we do now, tighten that down, tighten that down, tighten the bottom one down. So you've got your 3 bolts behind there, nuts. You've got one in here, one there, and one down here. You've got this 3 billion wire connector here and all your pins in there. So what I'll show you, we'll put the handbrake on. So engine running, we have all these lights on. There we go, fixed. Ambient air temperature sensor is now working. So that's that fixed. This is just held on with 2 pop clips. So if you take a little plastic trim tool, stick that behind there, you can just pop that off and put it back on. Just make sure your wire's tucked in where it should be. That obviously pushes on the back of there. Line it up with the 2 holes, it says. Like that. There we go. So like I say, just take a plastic trim tool, stick it behind here and then just pop and that will come off. 10mm and a magnet is advisable, because if you drop it at the bottom of the door, then you're taking the door apart or finding new nuts, and then somebody will moan that there's a rattle in the door. There we go. One wing mirror replacement. Simples.